very recently I went just 2 days in the last week, 3 days or 4 days before I went to the Bhubaneswar. Have you remembered, right? I told.
Yeah.
For which purpose I went there? To attend some training. My business related works, attend some trainings. I took the notebook and a pen. Morning 9 o'clock, I went to the training room. Night 10:30, I came out from that room. Morning 9 o'clock, I went to the room. Night 10:30, came out from the room. Tea break, snacks break, lunch break, everything there. 13 hours, minimum 12 to 13 hours. We sat in that session last Monday and Tuesday, 20 and 21st of this month, of July. Have you remembered, right? Hey,
Yes, sir.
what is the need? What is the need? Like if I thought that, I may miss a number of opportunities in my life. Are you in the position to understand? Okay, don't feel I know everything. There is no learning. Arey, dosto, Virat Kohli also had the coach. Virat Kohli also had the coach. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, who is playing in the international, he had the coach today, personal coach today. Remember that. Mukesh Ambani, today also he is having the coach. Remember that. Today also he is having the coach to think about next level, to bring this person to the next level. Okay. So clear indication that don't stop learning. Don't stay forever in the comfort zone where you are. So 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, okay. Don't be forever there only. Think about next level. That thing must be required.